Tired of your videos pausing and freezing? Your OnePlus 13 deserves better. First up, check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal. A weak connection can cause those annoying stutters. Next, clear your app cache. Head to your settings, find the app playing the video, and clear its cache data. This can work wonders. Don't forget to update your video player app. Go to the App Store and install any available updates. Updates often come with bug fixes. Adjusting video quality settings is another trick. Lower the resolution or bitrate in your video player app to reduce the load on your device. When in doubt, restart your phone. A quick reboot can resolve temporary glitches causing the stutter. Check for software updates too. System updates can include important fixes for your phone's performance. Close unused background apps. Freeing up system resources can help your videos run smoothly. And if all else fails, try a different video player app. Sometimes the problem is just with the app itself. Enjoy smooth streaming on your OnePlus 13